I'm Abby from the group called Arts, Appreciating, Reviving, and Teaching Skills. What I'm going to be teaching you today is how to repair something that fell from your wall and you really want to put it back up, so that is what I'm going to be teaching you today. The tools that you will need are your nails that fell out. You need those two. And then you need the thing that fell from your wall. Would like to be careful of this pointy part right there. You don't want to hurt yourself accidentally. So be careful of that. And then the first thing that you want to do is grab just one for right now, and then find the hole in the wall of where it was, and then put the pointy side in, not too much that you can't grab it out again. And then you want to do the same exact thing with your other nail. And remember, don't put it in too far so that you can't grab it out again. And then the last step is to grab your thing that fell from the wall. You are going to match the hole up with your nail, put it on very carefully, and there you have it. And that is how you fix something that fell from your wall. Hope you enjoy.